Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The United Democratic Party UDP on Wednesday, the 17th of August 2022, had welcomed to its family the FKJGP Leader Wellbirth Rani and the Editor of U Rupang, who is also the President of the Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association, Monarch Shabong, at a function that was held in Shillong. Also joining the party were other supporters and well-wishers. Those present during the event included the President of the United Democratic Party, Metbah Lyngdoh, Working President Paul Lyngdoh, the General Secretary of the UDP, Jemino Mawthoh, the MLA of Mawphlang constituency, Eugeneson Lyngdoh Mawphlang, besides others. Addressing the gathering, the President of the UDP, Metbah Lyngdoh, welcomed Wellbirth Rani and Monarch Shabong along with a host of newcomers into the party's fold. Lyngdoh also reiterated the fact that teamwork, which is a need of the hour, will enable good leadership, and this will ultimately help strengthen the party. He also said that the newcomers will also be delegated work so as to enable the party to reach its goal of emerging as the single largest party in the 2023 Assembly elections in Meghalaya.
Bahapo kapati UDP yang mentah, batum bakalong mentah, batum bakaman mentah, kalong ngidon kajing tadi bak kajing kalong kowe. Kalau ka organisation, kalau ka political party, kalau ka unit lani ka society, lala kamdang ka unity bak ka teamwork, kumaladang ibakaran sa kama. Nginom na ban poi sa katong tali. Ba Monarch Shabong, ba Wellbirth Rani, akan kapuha. Ngipriang ngipi, dahil sukmen sa kapati ko. Ban ng kimilenti, ba pinay ketika mon ketika yang jopi, kumsi berta pada tim ko punya. Ngin sa benset, ngin sa tunrong, ngin sa ay ya kalang ko happy banyakit lang may kikam ng nisma balang ko aman ni kung kajidon bantalang baka East Cassis District kabal simili ka initiative ban pediang burong ni kirapa ano banyak kinong kesan itu ba kay kam kabadang dawa kalong nani sekmat berbekerja dari cuma macam Nagkuha ko ng yang ni dahil di sosial jongga jindol na general secretary ng party pa Jemino senior leaders baru akibat nanti habang nginang niya tol pa niya agad ju ka momentum lali ka ju ka base ka mangyayari menta ngamkuha may tayo kibrig ng ong dahil menta na yung kanriyo robya yung kanyo robya yung apo robya nakuha kami tayo kibrig ko ba noong ngiriban nyo ay pupus. Nasusmit pa niya tayo kibrig ko noong tang kibrig. Nga bersetiang ba? Bansa niya akong tayo kibrig ko nasetiang. Namang kibrig yung siya. Si siya na malamot pa niya kuha niya kakam. Doon pa yung katong. Ba't haka niya kaganti ko mamatangay yung ipai ba iwan sa kemat panai dikasa don sibon ki bangin ng isong meeting ki ba pero kaya ka ba na kalian dungi kung ginoyalam kilida ngide ba niya siap na mahagi pai ba bakit sutu kaya ka election arajar apura hoy nga kimen tama ngamun tangkat kejinguan jopi utasi. Nah kemen, naran kuah sibun kung ba ong bawan bahan mana, nang yang abang ini, ngin bersama rak kubur ban multiply, kata kemensian jom mencintai, kebalong komedi, upaya bah mentah balong lupa anase, kesohang ini kita hilang kita, dan sohang ini mentah arjar arpulai sekemat. Jadi kesini bagi Islam kita bagi baca Jawa. Ladangi kum kinoy lambat kilida ngim suntu panuan hagaju kami badakaju kami sim menitrai nginum lapan poin satu. Balai kejai beri tu ngim lapan kiu lanuru kailah. Itu ngim keluar ban pedian yang lagi jom juduna panggil keluar ban kedua kali kejom jiwa. Kalau dia kebuah, bagi dia bersuatu yang dia lu. Kini kedai, kabu, kelar, kamu mereka upaya apa? Orang beli dengan uai dengan lagi dengan UDP kita. Kasyongi, kecai berdiri kasih, kecai berdiri jentia, kecai berdiri kau. Kau kamu ini benar, nak kementah, ialah kejut kasih.